The OHE plant is located in the old city of Hattingen, the well-known business and industrial centre in the Ruhr region of Germany. OHE was founded in 1946 by a German engineer named Otto Heinrich and has developed from a small workshop into a highly efficient factory today. OHE became a registered trademark in 1960. OHE has been producing equipment for the mining industry for more than 50 years. We supply complete sets of electro-hydraulic equipment for longwall roof supports, which includes assemblies manufactured by ourselves. We look forward to long-term business relationships based on trust and cooperation. Therefore, we welcome you to Hattingen and wish you every success in the mining industry. For many years, the main business of OHE has been the mining industry with its demanding safety regulations and high reliability and long-lasting operational life of their equipment. For this reason, our design and technology is demanded all over the world and are performing successfully in many coal mining companies. The history of our factory differs from other companies by pioneering and original ideas of the employees. Thanks to the use of modern techniques, the journey from concept over design to production is kept to a minimum. With its own design department and test center, our company is able to improve and expand its product range. Today, OHE is a factory equipped with the latest technology, computerized turning lathes and fully automatic machines, as well as a multi-purpose processing centers. We design and manufacture hydraulic, electro-hydraulic and pilot control systems with all auxiliary hydraulic valves, as well as joints and fittings for high-pressure hoses. The pilot control system, developed in 1987, still remains the most demanded product in the market of hydraulic controls today. The use of pilot HV4 solenoid type valves in the pilot control valve block has made operations considerably easier. As this valve has good technical features, operations such as support control and other less time-consuming operations are carried out directly through these valves. The control of roof support advancing ramps and other cylinders of longwall systems, which require a high number of operations, is undertaken with DN12 and DN20 valve cartridges installed in the main hydraulic control valve block to maximize the efficiency and to speed up the sequence of operation. The Arlon valve seats used in cartridge assemblies have increased the reliability, extended operational life, and eased the repair process. The best properties of these valves have been incorporated in newly designed running cartridges DN10, DN12 and DN20. The use of multi-bore hoses connecting to the main hydraulic control block has eliminated the need for bundle of hoses from support to support. Electro-hydraulic control systems are designed to control the roof support by a completely automatic process. The electro-hydraulic system can provide full control of roof support operation on the entire face, or for automatic control of individual or a group of roof supports on the face. If there are relevant sensors installed in the system, then the coal mining process can be fully automated. Reliability and long operational life of electro-hydraulic assemblies are assured by quality checks and safety tests at full pressure and full approval of certified cyclic running tests. The electromagnetic valves are tested for 50,000 operational cycles. In 2000, the Certification Center of Nordrhein-Westfalen completed resource testing on a 4-function electro-hydraulic solenoid valve assembly and completed 200,000 operational cycles under full loading simulation. The conclusion of the Certification Center after the test was that the block remained fully operational. During our long history, our company has acquired a reputation for being a reliable and hard-working partner, and the quality of our products meets the world's highest standards. Our products have been used successfully through time and are in operation in many countries like Russia, Ukraine, Belarus, China, Poland, Czech Republic, Slovakia, Germany and Mexico. The OHE trademark is a sign of extensive expertise, guaranteed quality, competitive prices and long operational life.